Hey guys, welcome to Old School Bodybuilding. So I just wanted to do a quick video on steroids and some of the effects that they may have on you. So the reason this came up is recently Ronnie Coleman went into surgery and come to find out after it was all said and done, he may never walk again. So after spending $2 million on multiple surgeries, and of course, you know, most of you guys know Ronnie Coleman. He's kind of the extreme of the extreme when it came to drug use. And so anyway, I just wanted to kind of focus in on, you know, he's only 53 years old and not going to walk again because of the extremeness that he went to. Now, some people may argue that it was worth it, but, you know, here at Old School Bodybuilding, we don't advise that, of course. We follow Vince's methods, and we encourage you guys to do the same. And so a couple other notable people that had side effects was Dallas McCarver, who died just about a year ago. He was just 26 years old, really just a young kid. Died of congestive heart failure was what the autopsy said. But Dallas was, like I said, 26 years old, just a young guy, went to the extreme when it came to the steroid use, and just never made it to his 27th birthday. So really, really sad story, I guess is the way to put it. And another user, Rich Piana, died about a year ago as well, and he was 46. So anyway, you know, guys, this just isn't what we want, you know, to come from bodybuilding. You know, steroids are obviously prevalently used out there by a lot of bodybuilders. You know, HGH and other products as well. But they're drugs, guys. You know, they're drug users. You know, they're you know, like cocaine or marijuana or any other drug out there. You know, they're illegal and they're harmful, and you know that's not what the old school guys used to do. You know, don't get me wrong, that steroids started back in the 60s and maybe even earlier, but Vince was never a proponent of it. He actually called them cheaters. And you know, here at Old School Bodybuilding, we're about health first and physique second. So you know, we just want to, you know, remind you guys to, you know, you young guys who are trying to get into lifting, and you know, you want to put on size and you want to put on you know, definition and all that good stuff, and that's great, but you know, we want to focus on the health piece first. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks.